So, my how-to it video, or my advice, tip, is go out into nature. Especially if you're feeling stressed, if you're feeling anxious, things aren't working out right for you during the day. Find a little nature, wherever that may be. Then, take your shoes off. Just go out barefoot. Yeah, I've got rocks under my feet, but I can walk carefully, practicing yoga, develop the balance, core strength, allow you to walk gently, avoid any little rough spots. Walk quietly. You have more. Now I just stepped on a stick. Let's see if I put my foot down, fall first, go all the way onto this one foot, and then put my other foot down. I can be a lot quieter. And quietly walking barefoot. Oops, see again, I stepped on a stick. A treacherous place here, a lot of little sticks I could break. So why would I want to walk so quietly? So I don't disturb these birds. So I don't alert them all the best I can. Even amongst all these sticks. This is a dried pond bed. In Topanga State Park, where last spring I saw the most beautiful little duck. But the water's not here now. There's some sister butterflies. I learned they were sister butterflies. I was so amazed by black butterflies. And that's why they're called sisters. I looked them up because kind of like a sister's habit. A nun. Oh, here's this little frog I've been seeing. See how he's reddish? It's like copper, just glitters in the light. Well, this one's not quite as red. Bee. I'm also I see all these tracks. And a lot of deer tracks, I'm guessing, because they're so. Let's see that shape. Heavy. There's the butterfly. Right. They never let me film them. Butterflies. They'll come and sit next to me really quiet and still for the longest time. As soon as I think, oh, it's going to sit here forever, I'll get my camera. Like, no, don't take a picture. There's still a little of the pond left from the spring, but very little. This whole thing last spring had been a little lake. Oh, somebody. It's out in the pond. It's not a duck. Oh, there it goes. The earth's so amazing. Just the dirt, this mud here, full of minerals, microorganisms, microcilia, tiny little micronutrients. Our skin is an organ, of course, like your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. And it takes it all in. Plants will eat, absorb the nutrients of the soil. That's why organic is so vital. And really, it should be more than organic. I mean, organic, USDA organic means that there's no chemicals overtly applied. But since we're absorbing all the minerals and nutrients of the soil, really the best food should be a really rich, healthy soil, not just no overt chemicals. And then we'll absorb that same magic of the magic soil in the food we eat. But my simple tip of today, going barefoot, everything you put on your skin is the same as eating it, right? It goes right into your body. And I can derive some of the benefits of this amazing, healthy pond mud just by being barefoot in it. I can get this nutrient-rich soil and its values in me. But there's the painted lady. No, not the painted lady, sorry, the sister butterfly. I don't know if you can see it. There's that beautiful bird. So there's the aspect of literally the nutrition, the minerals, the micronutrients from the soil being absorbed through your skin that makes barefoot valuable practice. There's a spiritual aspect. Grounding. And there's even just a yoga asana benefit. Froggy friend. There you are, Nero. Very green. Because it makes you walk different. You have to use different muscles in your feet. That are, if you're have them locked into your shoes, you can't access and use those muscles to hold you up, hold your arches up. These little frogs. Let's give it a shot, wherever you are. Try a little, just taking your shoes off. Walk around. Play with how you walk. I'm loving the feeling of the mud squishing in my toes too. Just that. You know, that childlike wonder, joy of the little frogs. I hate mud, toes. That's my tip. This one's like gold. Oh, so pretty. Sorry for the shadow of my phone. Lost him. Alright. Namaste.